everyone, good morning. I'm Miguel Dimaano. Nandito tayo ngayon sa capital town Pampanga and we have an event, so Manyaman Festival. So ngayon, I will give you a tour dito sa mismong area. Iikot ko kayo. So you will have an idea kung ano yung meron ngayon sa araw na to. Today is May 9 and meron tayong mga food festival from different. So makikita nyo may mga sinashare up dito mga area kung saan may mga gagawing mga cooking demo. So later, bigyan ko kayo ng mas magandang view and tour dun sa area natin. So by the way, my name is Miguel Dimaano and please subscribe to my show. Thank you and see you around.
Hapin mo ining festival alang malat, alang matabang, gana-gana, manyaman. Gupitan nyo na! Alright, congratulations! Makabulat na ing Manyaman Festival 2024, the Manyaman Festival 2024 in Pampanga of Pampanga is now officially open.
And heritage. It aims to primarily highlight something Pampanga is very well known for, our amazing cuisine. Centuries ago, Pampanga played a crucial role in trade due to our strategic location. This exposure to different cultures influenced our cuisine. We embrace spices from the Orient, cooking techniques from the Spaniards, and ingredients brought up in by traders from all over. All these influences combined with the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Kapampangan resulted in a truly special cuisine.
What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is falling in tears.
now, sisilipin natin yung mga food dito sa bawat district na hinanda ng mga culinary chef natin. So, iba-ibang part ng Pampanga. So, ikutan po natin sila isa-isa. So, here, meron District 1, District 2, and District 3. So, iikot ko yung camera ko.
The talent and passion of our people. So let us continue to savor these dishes through today's Hapag ng Pamana.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang mga food natin. So, may mga kasama kong magagandang babae ng Pampanga. Ayan. Hello, ma'am. Thank you po. So, yun. Thank you po, ma'am.
And is G. Pineda and our vice.
So, right now, nandito naman tayo sa District 1. So, titingnan natin yung food dito sa area. So, try ako ng food dito. Check natin yung sa kabila. Thank you. Thank you, kuya.
And on this part of our program, our next speaker is the founder of the Philippine Culinary Heritage Movement, a non-profit movement dedicated to the preservation of the Philippine culinary heritage and gastronomy, and also the country head of the Slow Food Youth Network Philippines, which is part of the Global Slow Food International, an organization.
So, thank you for watching Mega World Capital Town Pampanga vlog, no? So, ayun, nakita nyo yung mismong area. So, pinakita ko yung mismong event namin tonight. So, I hope you enjoyed the food activities and the culinary cuisine that Pampanga offers. So, by the way, nandito ako sa Capital Town Pampanga po. So, I'm one of the seller and manager dito sa Capital Town. So, if you are interested po sa mga property natin, condominiums, residential, commercial, and even hotels, we also cater that. Message nyo lang po ako. My name is Miguel Di Maano. My number is 0968-853-3469. See you around, and yeah, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.